In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing and default print service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service than the default one, tap on this blue switcher, go back, select Add Service below the default one, and download the best one from the list of available ones. In my case, HB1. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on your new print service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!